we are ready to fly.
Oh, in this strictly prohibited for that photo. Video camera kare.
ಅದೇ ಓನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ நல்லா இருக்கும் ಕೂಡ ಓನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕೊಡು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಚ್ಚು
Good afternoon, everyone.
Very good afternoon.
All comfortable?
Yes.
Nobody scared?
No.
Nobody feeling giddy or vomiting?
No. We are excited.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
I hope you all enjoyed that ride of helicopter. I also enjoyed so much, and this is my first time and I was very scared, but that experience is very good and I'm just loving it. And actually this is a surprise for me by my hubby, and we have celebrated our first anniversary in Gantok. Then we will go Darjeeling, then Sikkim. So I will not able to do any makeup videos, any reviews, just because I'm not in my home. So I will share all my experience on all vlogs of all of you. So yeah, now I have some tea just because I'm very tired, and then I will go for shopping and all. So yeah, I will share with all of you all my experience. So please stay tuned with me, and after that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Bye.